Food truck POS system costs. And what are the best food truck POS systems available? Well, if you're looking to launch a food truck business, you're going to need to, of course, take payments. And you need to do it efficiently, but also in a way that makes sense for your inventory, customer satisfaction, and overall business performance. So if you're looking to start a food truck business and you want to figure out what POS system works and how much they cost, stay tuned and watch this video from beginning to end. We're going to run down some of the features POS systems need to have and what do they cost each month here on Food Truck Freaks.
Being a food truck owner and operator is a little different from owning and running a traditional restaurant. Now, however, they all require a point of sale or POS system, which is something that unites them all. More specifically, a food truck POS with the appropriate POS capabilities will be needed for this type of business. You probably already know how different a food truck business is from other types of enterprises, whether you're starting one or you currently run one. Truck-based restaurants prioritize processing orders fast, serving comfort foods, and sourcing ingredients as locally as possible to keep costs down. Now, given these realities, tool mobility, flexibility, and affordability should be taken into account by owners of food and hospitality businesses. This includes the POS system, also known as your point of sale for food truck businesses. Now, discover the right POS system features for your food truck business needs in this video. All right, guys, so welcome back to Food Truck Freaks. This channel is dedicated to educating and helping those of you who want to start, grow, and build a successful food truck business. Now, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for all of our new uploads every single week. So let's dive into this video about POS systems for food trucks, guys. So what POS features do food trucks really actually need? Food truck POS features do more than just process payments. They can assist in inventory maintenance, functionality, reporting, analytics, sales monitoring, and customer management and employee management. You have to understand that POS systems are crucial in the restaurant industry because they make companies run more efficiently. Although each restaurant does have its unique needs, POS features and the functionalities of those POS systems have been developed to meet specific needs. Owners of food trucks serve meals to consumers without incurring the significant overhead costs that traditional restaurants do have. But running a food truck business still presents numerous difficulties. Some of them include sales tracking and inventory management. So you have to understand that a food truck POS system aids in tracking sales and ensuring proper inventory management procedures. However, it is crucial to pick a system with the appropriate POS characteristics, such as a display that faces the customer. A food truck isn't too small of a business to actually have a POS system. In fact, food trucks POS will set up your business for a success, especially if it's cloud-based. This allows your business to grow and deliver excellent customer service no matter where you're parked for the day. Now, having a reliable food truck POS system will improve your net profit. However, the POS system should have the right features. I'm going to dive into 6 specific food truck POS features everyone on a food truck should be using ASAP. Number 1, daily sales report and customer info. One of the major obstacles for any restaurant business, including a food truck, is actually attracting but keeping customers. And this isn't that difficult if you have the right food truck POS software. Businesses can actually monitor their performance in real time using restaurant-style POS sales systems that include reporting and, of course, analytics. You can access this data away from your desktop computers and your internal servers with the use of what's known as cloud-based POS solutions. Now, you may monitor sales from your many sorts of menus using customer and sales reporting functions in the POS software. By doing so, you may monitor the performance of the brand, new menu items, and prepared seasonality. Additionally, it is possible to learn which days have the best performance. By doing this, you can actually lower your labor costs during off-peak seasons in comparison to peak seasons. Number 2, maintaining every changing menu. Now, food truck menus do typically change quite frequently. By creating a seasonal menu, this can be done on a daily, weekly, or even seasonal basis. You can also have various menus such as a menu for happy hour, a menu for food and wine pairings, or even one specifically for desserts. The pricing on different menus are frequently varied, and they may fluctuate over time. So you can manage all of your menus on one platform if your POS system includes menu management software. The ability to edit, update, and conduct promotions in various menus and items provided by menu management software. Now, remember, remote menu updates are available with cloud-based POS softwares usually. Number 3, control over your ingredients and inventory on your food truck. POS systems also offer managing inventory, and it's easy always, even though a food truck business is smaller than a traditional brick and mortar eatery. You can and you need to effectively inventory management to make sure that you have handle on all of your inventory controls and management techniques. Now, you will have a clear grasp of the inventory you have and what needs restocking if you use a food truck POS system and inventory management. By doing this, you will be able to focus on serving your customers rather than manually inspecting inventory, which will lower your margin of error and, of course, shrinkage when it comes time to dispose of it. Number 4, ordering mobility in your QR coding. Now, wherever you can, try to avoid keeping your customers from waiting. Your food truck consumers will have control over their ordering experience thanks to the mobile ordering capabilities set up by your POS system. They will be able to browse the menu at their own pace. They can make their selections and pay contactlessly with payments. The ability to self-serve will allow more customers to use your food truck by creating a unique restaurant QR code. Once the customer puts their order using this purchase and this option, they are free to wait in or seating area or do something else to receive a text, letting them know that their order is ready because of the software. Now, repeat customer program integrations. This is a really cool thing when it comes to POS systems. Every restaurant or even a food truck wants a devoted customer. The consumer who returns time after time and again are loyal ones, and they are worth a fortune. A loyalty program is one approach to interact with your customers and win their loyalty. Now, something else to think about, customers are encouraged to return via a restaurant loyalty program or a food truck program. Your food truck POS system can incorporate these programs if you've got the right software.
Number 6, solid internet connection. So a food truck business is typically on the go. In fact, some food trucks change locations daily to ensure that they hit prime locations for their niche market. A solid Wi-Fi connection is essential for this business, and having one set up within the truck is ideal. Now, with a solid internet connection, you can focus on serving your customers while ensuring that your POS system and other efficient business systems are working properly. All right, so let's discuss some of the POS systems that are set for food trucks. Finding the right POS for the food truck business will depend on the needs specifically of your business. Now, once you figure out your business needs, you can explore the options available to you. Now, we're going to give you 3 POS systems that are designed really well for food truck businesses. Number 1 is Clover. Yes, Clover, a POS system that is designed to work with all kinds of businesses, and particularly well suited for those in the restaurant industry. Clover is the greatest all-around POS software option since it provides excellent alternatives for mobile point-of-sale systems and strong POS capabilities. Various options are offered based on the sort of business that you're running. Now, the most basic package offered by Clover is around $39 a month, and it provides payment processing. You can split checks, tip management, real-time sales tracking, reporting, and interaction with online stores. Number 2 is Touch Bistro. Now, Touch Bistro is a point-of-sale system that was first developed for the restaurant market, and now it has capabilities for other types of food industries, such as food trucks. Touch Bistro has a number of great functions, and its system enables you to combine multiple plans in accordance with your requirements. Now, this is a little more pricier. It starts around $69 a month, but due to its user-friendly interface and a varied software options, Touch Bistro is the appropriate POS solution for many food truck operations. You can use Touch Bistro without a network connection. However, their system does make use of what's known as cloud reporting. Using this, you can access corporate data from a distance. Let's go to number 3, Square. So Square is a little different and well-known provider of POS systems. It is an easy-to-use system with alternatives for mobile hardware. Additionally, it is a food truck POS system that gives consumers free software to use. Both iOS and your Android smartphones are compatible with Square POS software. Now, users are provided with a free mobile card reader that they may attach to their device in order to swipe and take payments. There are advanced POS capabilities that can obtain for a monthly price in addition to the free POS software that Square provides that has no monthly costs. Now, the advanced packages normally begin around $60 to $70 a month. All right, so what are some questions that people have about POS systems for food truck entrepreneurs? When it comes time to considering buying a food truck POS system, it's important to know what to look for. For most businesses, it's a system with POS features such as menu management and offline capabilities. So when you're looking for the features for your POS, to recap, what are the most ones that you need? The 6 most common POS features would include things of this sort: inventory management, consistent point of sales report and analytic options, multi-store management, menu management, supplier purchasing integrations. So all in all, that is a rundown of what you can expect from a POS food truck system and some of the options and features you really should look for, because they do vary based on your type of food business you're operating. If this was helpful, definitely give us a big thumbs up. If you've got questions or if you've interacted with your POS system and you've got some feedback, let us know in the comments down below. Check out these videos here for any additional resources to help you launch your food truck, and I'll see you guys on our next video.